Okay, we're solving exercises from the planning workshop, and in this case we're gonna deal with a linear inequality, and apparently we're in a full moon, so awoo! Okay, all of our dogs everywhere are barking and barking. We're all crazy. So let's begin with this. You need to start working with the table of values, and the table of values on a linear inequality, which is the type of exercises that have either this symbol or the other symbol, okay? Any one of those symbols. When you're dealing with a linear inequality, you need to work with a table of values that has numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Usually those are the ones you're gonna need. And you need to add an extra space on your table of values. Okay, this one that I'm showing in here, you're gonna need that because this type of exercises, they are not just a line, but you also need to color part of the space or part of the plane that you're gonna get. Okay, so you could color in two directions when you're dealing with a Y letter, okay, with a Y formula. You could either color up or you could color down. Okay, how do you know which one is which one? Okay, if you see this symbol, that means that you're gonna color up. Okay, Y and then this symbol, that means you color up. But if you see letter Y and the symbol less than or in the left direction, that means you're gonna color down. Okay, either up or down depending on the symbol. If you focus on this symbol, you're gonna see this is up, so we need to draw an upward arrow in here to remind us that we're gonna have to color up in the future. Okay, once you've done that, the rest is the same thing we've been doing always. You're gonna copy the formula of the exercise, and then you're gonna substitute the values of x starting with -2. Okay, so you're gonna put y greater than -3 times -2 -2, y greater than -3 times -2 is +6, and you copy the -2, and then y greater than 6 -2, that will be 4. Okay, that answer that you got in there, that 4, that's what you're gonna put in this space of the table of values. Okay, and you continue. Okay, you keep working the same way with the equation that you have for the exercise. Okay, so you copy again the equation, y greater than -3x -2, and you just continue with the next number. Okay, -3. Instead of the x, you're gonna use the next number, which is -1. So -1 -2. You keep working like that. Y greater than -3 times -1, +3, and you copy -2. Then y greater than 3 -2, that will give you 1. Okay, that number that you got, that's the one you're gonna put on the table of values. And you keep working like that. Okay, so the next one is gonna be y greater than -3x -2. I'm always using the same formula, and now I'm gonna substitute with number 0. So -3 times 0 -2, y greater than -3 times 0, 0. You copy -2, and 0 -2, that will give you -2. Yes, so that's the number you're gonna put on the table of values. You keep going. Okay, we're missing only 2 more. So y greater than -3x -2, you copy the formula again. Okay, and you substitute again -3. Instead of x, you're gonna put inside parentheses the next number, which is 1, the next number of the table. Okay, then -2, and then you do the operation. -3 times 1, that will be -3, and you copy the -2, and then you finish the operation. -3 -2, that will give you -5. Okay, that -5 that you get, you're gonna put it on the table right next to the number 1 that you used. and we're just missing the last one, which is positive 2. So we're gonna copy the formula again, minus 3x minus 2, and you're gonna substitute, instead of the x, you're gonna put inside parentheses 2. So I copy minus 3, instead of the x I put positive 2, and then I copy the minus 2 from the formula. So y greater than minus 3 times 2, that will give me negative 6, and I copy the minus 2, and I finish the operation. Minus 6 minus 2, that will give me negative 8. Okay, so I put minus 8 as the answer on the table of values. And that's how you do step 1 for a linear inequality. Okay, once we work with step 2, you're gonna see what this arrow is gonna help you for and how we should do the drawing.